Welcome back, guys. We're working on the FL250 gas tank today. We'll be doing some looking in the tank with my Milwaukee camera tool. See that rust? We got some pretty bad rust in there. Right there. I mean, just rust everywhere. Got my lens dirty. Yeah, so we got another company sending us some stuff to remove rust out of this tank, so we get this tank looking clean. Because I mean, I did put mercury acid in here with some water, and I let it sit in here for a week. I think it might have been 2 weeks, and it just like really done nothing. I mean, it dissolved some of the rust, but not at all. We'll be putting some more mercury acid in here, but after we put some vinegar in here and let it sit. Vinegar is supposed to do a better job than mercury acid. Mercury acid is attack the rust extremely fast, too fast. Vinegar will slowly attack the rust, and that's what you kind of want in a situation like this. Then you clean it out, get all the rust out, get this shiny. I think there might be a couple little pinholes in the bottom. Gotta weld those up or make it so it don't leak. And then we got then we got this little hook right here that broke off. Goes right there, it broke off, so we're gonna have to do some welding on there. Weld that little hook back on. See if we can see the pinholes. The pinholes I hate because you really can't see them. But I think it will be a week or so until that stops here. Like, look at the gas cap. Completely corroded. getting there. It's definitely getting there. Well, now the tank's out, so I'm gonna find a container. I want to find a plastic container I can put the tank in, then I'm gonna slosh around some mercury acid in there, because I got some more. Got my little container right there. Now we're gonna plug up the holes where the thing is, where the valve assembly goes. All I got right now is some electric tape. Hopefully this works. Okay. Now we're gonna get our knife. Wherever I put that. Oh, I found this knife. This will work. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead, put some mercury acid in there. Gotta get it off because I spilled some on my hands. Now I'm gonna. This stuff is so horrible for you. You're gonna. Pour it in there like that. Then I'm gonna put the gas cap on and swish it around. Just let that sit like that right there. Gotta get some cleaning wipes and gotta clean my hands because you don't want that. You don't want that mercuric acid to stay on your skin that long. It's very bad for you. I should wear gloves, but As long as you get it off quick, you should be good. And usually you want to wear like a respirator when you're messing with mercury acid. And if any of you are coming over from my Ford videos, 7610, thank you so much. Those videos are getting some attention, I see. These are from our Scrub Nutty Industries from Benchmark Bases. Huh, check it out. Guess what shirt I'm wearing? Benchmark Abrasive shirt. Yeah, thank you. Talking about the Ford 7610, I ordered a starter and some wiring terminals for that one part. I engaged it started by key, and I ordered a pair of wire cutters. And I won a keychain at auction for the tractor. So that's good. I got that on the way. I got some also for the lights. Up in by the 450, I ordered some extension cord ends. And then I'm also gonna put a light where this Ford tractor is going, because I'm gonna work on it in there. I'm planning on having it all nice and ready around beginning of December. So we got a lot of work cut out for us. Just trying to clean my hands, because my hands always get dirty. It's like every time I come to my shop, my hands end up filthy dirty when I leave. But we also got a video coming out tomorrow. This is Thursday the 21st of September is when this video is filmed. And I should have it uploaded in a couple hours. So it'll be out on the same day I uploaded it. And but tomorrow, the 22nd, I got another channel sponsor stuff arriving, which we'll be making videos about. And hopefully you guys look forward to that. Catch you guys there. And why don't I clean my hands? Like filthy. And we gotta checking this gas tank, but that's gonna be it today, guys. Unless I decide to go make a couple shorts on the Ford, but I don't know. Please subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video. And as always, guys, keep it off-road. There is a giveaway going on the channel right now. It's super clean. You get an aerosol can, and you get a regular bottle of degreaser from them. All you gotta do is comment on my videos, be subscribed, go subscribe to follow them on Instagram and their YouTube channel, but I can't find their YouTube channel, so I don't know.